Tinka, please. Please help.
Hi guys, magandang adlaw ni jung tanan. Daton, say hi. Say hi guys.
Hi guys. Gitu bag.
Di na mo kung sinilas. Maokan.
Hey, tita. Tinka.
Lagi na. Si Daton dia. Si Daton gibisaan ni si sang ina.
Why, Tinka?
Magkaluluya. Agad ang inahan tos kuan si Kihor naglaag. Kami maghatod sa eskwelahan kami linlin.
Yeah. Why?
Perfume.
There's perfume.
Perfume. Perfume.
Where's this milk? Yeah.
Dirty milk. Putasa manghila mag Didi. Dirty milk. Agay. Kita mo si. Sige na. Di na mo sinilas. That's your old slippers.
Monkey.
Use the new one, brown color. Ito.
Oh, the sleeper is old.
Na, you see the brown? Muna yung bagong sinilas.
Here? There's a brown. What's another brown?
That's tatay. The big one. Slipper.
No, not the big sleeper.
No, bali. Wa.
That's my bag.
Yung bag lagi.
Inka.
I will bring the bag.
Wait, lagi kay you're so excited, Dalton. Now you're so wet now.
Hala ka pa sa kasingot.
And I will bring the bag in the
Ako na yung panas bag.
bus.
Bugat lagi.
Gaano ni?
Now my water.
Oh, come on, let's go.
Inka.
Kitang tanan ng hawid o kamot.
Is to holding ka.
Mag-inbak taho, gano'n ko hawak. Murag kantahan tanan naghawak kamay. Kaya kadala ka hawak, hold on. Asing tanan mo sir.
Naitawil dihat eh. Ato ka ng punasan doon.
This is your small house? Ah,
Here.
Daton. Agi mong nanay ito si Kihor nagpabarang. Where is your school bus? Where?
Diyan na.
Wala na na ko no.
Dili na.
Di mo na mao. Hindi mo ito pasahiruan. Oh.
Ati dito basiruan?
Where?
Basiruan to eh.
Di, wala ka ni hunong. Pagparang niya. Oh no, there's no school bus.
Anong dito mo? Parang?
Ay, wait.
Inka.
Hold Inka.
Haha.
Haha.
Si hi.
Haha.
Hi nanay.
Hi, nanay.
Saka no?
That's more. No.
Hello, ay school bus lagi. Gato may hawag sa arkakiat to. Na, stop na. Daton, stop. Hala. Daton. Stop running, Daton. I'll go out na. Go out na ko.
Listen.
Bye.
This way.
Sa tanan. Okay, counting para dili malimutan ang steps. 1, 2, up, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3.
Swimming, how about you, Beans? Oh, bubbles. How about you, Kai? Ano? How about you, Liam? What did you see? There is a... Ang sabi na, a dog. Good job. Sit. How about you? Yo. Sabi na kita dito.
Nakauli na magikan sa eskwelahan. Si Dalton, ninggara ni si Zakaron wa na minaw.
We stand to sit on the truck.
Your teacher Flora may get mad. Kas you're not listening.
Red, stand right now.
Dahil nadakpan si Lilin nga. Kuha ni si Zakarang na imo ni si Zailanggam nga. Wak-wak. Na? Aram din nagkasuga mamang it na ilin. Langgama. Ha? Di ba ni si Angay buhiun? Agasang mata na po ah. Pero matinga ako anong naanis bahay nila parang midaghan. Nagalang bahay puro na iti. Daghan na dyan ingani. Tanaw guys. Agasang mata na. Po ah. Ha? Dalton! It inside. Gituhak kong galing ko ganyan sa kita. Nagdugo ang kamot na.
My robe.
Mao man sila tigpanangag og kanang naiti po. Mao ni langgam nga kuan, lansijang. Ngano ka na ijang mata? Kuwang man.
Pick up my bow. My bow is going.
Adik tining langgama.
Oh my God, he's hard.
You're not isin sikihor.
No, that is not hard.
Sikihor.
No, that is in the school.
No, rin sikihor. Dia, gikuha man ning lilin, giplanuhan nga sa ibatang sa basurahan kaya anong atural tumamatay. Daralo man kuha lamang buhian kay kanang langgam na ikuno taga ano kagawasan. Ing nagi mo mga kauban. Nga di na mo mamalik deres bay. Kadaghan yung mga iti. Aturo mo sa kalubihan. Okay.
Bird, just on the red now.
Lupad na. Chiyong! Aw! Agad na lang ngit! Ah! Sakita! Ah! Agay! Aw! Kasi ka na mangit! Wak-wak man silang langgama di ay! Wak-wak na yung langgama, wak-wak. Lamin tayo ni Patgun, kaya kasi mangit.
Bird, just on the seat there.
Monis day langgam nga, lansijang. Ngarang kaliwaras kazo. Bye! Bye, bird! Ah! Lupad na. Kalupad na balik, Lin.
Walking.
Hindi mo sir ba itong bike na ba? Ay, dakpan na pod. Oh, isog ba na sumay og makaon ba? What happened?
Another one. Tipo,
Okay.
pick up the tipo. Ano, what happened that? Tipo.
That's small. Yeah. Ang gilang lingaw nang uhamig tipo dari kadaghan na pangtagag sa kuan lan sijang. Daghay mga tipo dari sa ilang palibot kay pangtangag sa lan sijang.
Another one.
Where?
He got commanded. Go now after tipo. He got commanded. The tipo, see?
Sa big tipo. Lah.
It's the big rock. It's the big rock, see?
Let's go at the back. There's so many tipo there. At the back.
And a big one.
Okay. You put in the bucket.
There's a big foot. They're in the bucket. Come on, he got another big one.
Kita kung sirak ng tipo. Okay.
Are you happy in that tipo?
Yes, I'm happy with the tipo. And I will cook it. Ah, ano yung sangagon?
Another one.
Las likod.
We got the tipo, guys. We got the big one, Inka. Inka, so there's another one, Inka. Come on. There.
Nalingaw, nagpungag tipo.
I found it.
Nalingaw na, Dalton, nalingaw na. Dalton is happy. Come on. Where?
Here! There's another one! Where?
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 Ah, okay. I see it. There's so many. Tipo.
That's Nana's Papa.
Nanay, papaya tree.
Nana's flower. There's Nana's flower. There's flower hiding. There's the snake hiding. There.
It's another one. And tomorrow again, Dalton, we will go to school. You listen to your teacher, ha?
There's another people. There's a big people. Come on. Come on. We got that people.
Where?
It's a big. Oh no, it's broken. See? That's dirty.
Ay, ada tipo rin kakita rin dyan siya.
We got the people Inka. Peace.
Yeah, nakita. Tipo.
Nice big people hiding. There. There's my disgusting that people. Open the gate.
Huwag ginawakos Dalton.
There's a feet.
Yeah.
There's a feet on the gate.
Nalingaw na sa ito pong tipo.
I'm too small.
Huwag naman singata.
I'm too small.
Shout out! Shout out ni Lorami. Nga karon sa kuan si Kihor. Dalton dia, nalingaw na panguhag tipo.
It's hard.
It's hard. Ala,
What's it?
kakakuha na magdaghan.
What?
Basta kakuan.
Another one. Another people. Another one. It's a big one.
Nalingaw nagpamunit.
What's the friend? Nanay! Nanay, come on! It's coming! It's coming! That's out this house! It's coming!
Ano mo utak ka azo? Let's go Dalton. Kaya magligo ako. Ha? Let's go home na.
It's big some people in the mountain. It's big some people in the house.
Mangita pa ko ng
Big
tipo.
people in the big house.
Ano ba tipo?
Oh my God, guys.
What's that? Alak, oh, ano pag tipo ha? Ningabot mi daw sa kalubihan. Kasi Dalton, gusto pa pamunit og tipo. Kaya nalingaw masisad pamunit. Mo nang gusto mo rin sa kalubihan.
I'm touching the coconut.
Wow, what?
I'm touching the coconut.
What?
I'm touching the coconut.
Unsa?
I'm touching the coconut body.
Nana is working in Sikihor.
No, it's not in the city court. This nice in the market.
In the Sikihor lagi.
This nice in the China.
In the Sikihor now. And the other day in America. No, may kwarta lagi. Nanay working in Sikihor so that she will earn more money and buy new car, big car for Dalton. Yay! Dalton have a
And a white
new
car.
car, big, another one, color red, pick up.
Nanny by
Ford.
pickup truck. Nanny by pickup truck.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Dalton will go to school today. Listen to the teacher, ha? Your Tita Kat is cooking food for Dalton's breakfast. Wala man siya naglakabi eh. Sagot isang ina.
I wonder where the small bus.
Yeah. Ride again the school bus. Your nanay is working in Sikihor.
Nice in the doctor.
No. Nanay is working in Sikihor.
There's my China.
China? Not in China. There in Sikihor. Mangita og barangan. Ang barangan aksi. Sige kusnit. Ha? Sige kusnit sa gabi kang manggan. Mura maggimingaw sa isang nanay.
Are you today? I'm gonna share my toys with you today. Okay, Artem! I'm today.